Hello dolls and sugars, welcome back to my channel. On our channel, I'm starting a new series which is What's on My Bed, weekly glam luxury bedding and glam home decor. I'm a girly girl and I love to decorate glam decor, so I often get super bored with my bedding and I usually switch it up each week. And I rearrange and I change out new themes of my room. This 9-piece comforter set by Jennifer Taylor, it has the most gorgeous floral embroidery on velvet. It is so fancy. The colors are unbelievable with soft mauve, pastels, grays, and pops of silver and a little bling on the throw pillows. It looks like it belongs in the king and queen's bedrooms. And one of my favorites with this set is a gray accent pillow that says, "Let's get cozy." It's very romantic, very sweet. I love that. And I just think it sets the mood for cuddling up with my significant other. My room is all about glam and romance with some pops and focuses on Chanel, Coco Chanel, that is. We know the perfume bottles of Chanel is all the rage and is trending, and I like to accentuate and decorate around that. If you have always dreamed of having a fancy bedroom, get you a nice size king or queen bed and invest in a fancy comforter set, dolls. These luxury comforter sets also make wonderful gift ideas for newlywed couples. Well, that concludes What's on My Bed weekly series, Glam Decor, and I'll be coming back next week when I change up my bedding so we can see what we decide will be our next featured Luxe Glam bedding set. My most favorite part of this particular set are my custom plush mauve pillows that I designed myself. These beautiful pillows feature two of my most favorite Bible quotes engraved in silver, which says, "I will lay me down in peace and sleep, for thou, Lord, only makest me dwell in safety." Psalm 4:8, and "Cast all your cares on him, for he cares for you." 1 Peter 5:7. And I felt like this would be a great way to conclude this video for all of my sugars and dolls that are watching and viewing it. Stay encouraged and stay safe, dolls. Until next time.